If you are using any Windows computer, then it's easy to identify whether you are using SSD or regular hard disk by typing only one simple command. In this video, you are going to see that command to check. Before going to show you, I'm going to show you another thing. Just click start and then start typing disk, and you'll find create and format hard disk partition, this one. Once you click here or there, you will find like this type of window. Here you will see all the hard disks is there. Right now I have 3 hard disks. One is the main hard disk and other 2 is external hard disks. So I'm going to show you how we can easily identify whether these hard disks are really SSD. Now we need to either click start menu or search. I'm going to click start menu and start typing PowerShell, POWER. If you start typing power, then you will see Windows PowerShell is there. We just need to click here and very shortly it will open like this. Now here we need to type on command. The command is get -physical disk, and then we have to hit the return key of our keyboard. Once we hit the return key, it will take few seconds and then it will show all the details. So I showed you there are 3 hard disks, so that's why it is showing 1 2 0 like this. So the first one is 0, so this is 0, and this is the regular my laptop default hard disk, and it is showing SSD. See here, SSD is there. So for this 0, which is this one, it is SSD, and for other disk, this 1 and this 2, one is 1 terabyte, another is 2 terabyte. It is showing other type of thing, right? Unspecified or unspecified, that means it is not showing anything. And these are auto detect the users is there, and this is the media type. This column is the important. So when you plug in your external hard disk or your internal hard disk, whatever you are using, you will see if that is SSD, there should be written like SSD, and otherwise it will show like this, or regular HDD or SATA, something like that. So only if you are using, if you have SSD, then only it will show you SSD, and that's it. That's the only one command we just need to type to find whether our hard disk or external hard disk is SSD or regular hard disk.